Good afternoon, students. Today we will learn about a new topic that is called adjectives, or better we can call them as describing words. Now, if we have to understand about what are describing words or what are adjectives, let's get into the video, and now we will learn about it, or we will learn it with the help of an example. So, if you see these two pictures, you can see there is a old woman, right? She looks old, okay? And here in this picture, you can see the cat is fluffy, okay? It is full of fur, okay? It is quite healthy and it is also full of fur. So, that's how we can name it as she is an old woman and this cat is fluffy. So have you seen the word old is underlined here and the word fluffy is underlined here. Why? Because it tells us more about the thing which we are talking. Here we are talking about the women. What do we get to know more about the women? That she is old. And here what we get to know more about the cat? That it is fluffy. Let's see what do we mean by describing words. So first of all, describing words, it tell us more about a person, a place or a thing. Okay, first of all it tells us more about a person, place or thing, whatever it will be. It might be a person, it might be a place, it might be anything. So whatever the thing is, whatever the person is, when it tells us something more about it, it is called describing word. And one more important thing is that they can be placed before the naming word. We will see about this. They are placed before the naming word or they are placed at the end of a sentence. Let's see with the help of a picture. This is the picture of a building. So what kind of building is it? It is a huge building. Okay, so the word huge tells us more about the kind of the building, the structure or the shape of the building, that it is huge. Another, here the girl, she is wearing a skirt. Now what kind of skirt? The skirt is blue, okay? Or we can also say that she is a pretty lady or she is a pretty girl, or the girl is wearing a pink top. So what kind of top is she wearing? That is pink color. The skirt is of blue color. The shoe or the footwear that she is wearing, that is also of blue color. You can use it in many ways. Next, let's see what are the kinds of adjectives or what are the kinds of this describing words we have. So the first type is of color, which tells us about the color of anything. Okay, so see, here is an example that the boy is wearing a red shirt. So what is the color of the shirt? It is red. So the word red is an adjective. Next, we have adjective of size. It is a tiny bee. What is the shape of the bee? It is very small. Okay, it is tiny. So the word tiny is an adjective or a describing word. Next, we have adjective of shape. See, the mangoes are kept in a round basket. What is the size or what is the shape of the basket? It is round. It can be triangular, it can be rectangular, it can be anything. So when it tells you about the shape or size, so it is it will also be regarded as an adjective. So the word round is an adjective. Next, we have adjective of taste. It is a sweet fruit. Any fruit, whichever we eat, it is sweet. Okay, mangoes for say, then oranges are there. But tamarind, it is a sweet sometime, but it is also sour. Okay, and then there are also various tastes. For example, salty is it, then bitter. Okay, medicines, when we eat medicines, they appear to be very bitter to us, no? And then the food, the lunch that we eat, that is in proper amount, but there is salt, so it feels salty. Okay, then next we have, so here the word sweet will be regarded as adjective. Okay, that is adjective of taste. Next we have here number. Okay, adjective of number, that is which tells you about how many things are there. Suppose here is the sentence that there are 4 cups on the table. We will also see some pictures later on. Now see how many cups are being talked about. 4 cups. There can be 2, there can be 5, there can be many. Okay. Next we have adjective of touch. The cup of tea is hot. Yes, we always have a hot cup of tea, or some we also like cold coffees. Then the cold drinks that we have, they are also cold. Okay, so they are a glass of cold drink. So here the word cold, hot, these are also regarded as adjective. And that what I had said in the definition, if you remember, then it was like that adjectives can be placed at the beginning or just before the naming word. If you see here, shirt is a naming word. Okay, so the adjective is placed just before that. And if you see, it was also said that the adjectives are also placed at the end of a sentence. Now see, hot is also an adjective, so it is placed at the end of it. Let's see some pictures. Now what do you see here? The boy is wearing a red shirt and this is a tiny bee. Okay, so the boy is wearing a red color shirt, so the word red is underlined here because the word red is an adjective and the bee is tiny. Next we have here a round basket, mangoes in a round basket, and these chocolates are sweet. Okay, next we have, how many chairs do you see here? Here we have 4 cups, then 4 chairs, and we have 1 table. And this tea is hot. How do we know? By this steam coming out from the cup. So this is how we can know what are adjectives. And here we have also got to know that which are the adjectives and why they are underlined, because it tells us about more about the thing that we are talking. So these are adjectives, these are the kinds of adjectives. Hopefully you have understood this part, and that's all about today. So thank you.